Hi, this is Mark DeBow. I'm going to show you how to log into a new Google Apps account that you've set up as a student or for your students. So the first thing you need to do is go to google.ca. This is probably the most practical and easiest solution. If ever your Google Apps is synced with your Active Directory in Windows, you would have to go to a different portal. Otherwise, for anybody else, this is where you go. And in the case of our class, you go to google.ca. You click on the right here, you see a sign in button. So you take the address that you've been given and you enter it. So we'll do that. Enter the domain that comes with your account. In our case, it's Teacher Portal, and then the password. Sign in. And you'll see the terms and services. You're welcome to read them, find out what is involved. And once you have done that, slide down and you will see a captcha code. You have to punch in the correct letters. These are a little hard to see. The purpose of these is to prevent online bots from signing in and creating accounts in various services such as Google. So those bots can't read those. Once I'm logged in, you will see your name and user ID up here. And you will also notice that you are logged into all these apps. These are all the core Google apps. You have Gmail, Google Sites, Calendar, Drive, and Google Plus if it's enabled with your domain. Now, if you're missing any of these, it could be that your administrator has disabled them. Now, you can always ask them to re-enable them. Often, school boards are a little hesitant with Google Plus, for example, so you may not see it. You'll also notice some of the other Google services. If you click on more at the bottom, if you click and open a YouTube account, it will sync with this profile. And that's the major advantage of having Google Apps account. You can basically have one sign in for all these great services. So you're not constantly creating accounts for your students on a weekly basis, because we all know that takes time and students lose their account numbers, etc. One interesting observation is the way I signed in was through the browser. You will notice that if you click on the three little bars here, you have the option to sign into the browser. This is a little more advanced but very powerful. If you wanted to access the apps in the Chrome Web Store, this is where you would go and sign in. And every time you would sign in, it would sync all the apps to your Google Chrome browser. The thing I did forget to mention right off the bat, I highly recommend always using Google Chrome instead of any other browser. It works best with the Google Apps suite, of course. That's it. Thanks.